Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Early Brainy. Today we learn CVC words short story or family word. Bob has a pet dog, Todd. Bob has a pet dog, Todd. Bob and Todd go for a jog. Bob and Todd go for a jog. Bob sat on a log. He saw a top. Bob sat on a log. He saw a top. The top has dots. Todd saw a rod. The top has dots. Todd saw a rod. Bob plays with the top. Bob plays with the top. Todd plays with the rod. Todd plays with the rod. Bob has got a cob. Bob has got a cob. Bob and Todd eats the corn on the cob. Bob and Todd eats the corn on the cob. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.